G'day. So today's project is fitting a 20 amp DC to DC charger in my ute. So there's the rubbish instructions that come with it. The only thing you need to know is not suitable for location in wet area, whatever that means, and the wire sizes that it recommends. So I've actually got to go over 4 meters, so I'm actually just going to do 4 wire gauge on that. So yeah, 20 amps. Why I'm going this for is previously I had this style charger, which is just a voltage regulated, voltage sensitive relay basically. So it used to kick in when it saw the alternator charging about 13.5 volts and then turn off again pretty much never, but turn off again around 14.5 volts. Why I'm going to a new DC to DC is this one can go up to 14.7, which is what you need to go up to charge your AGM deep cycle batteries properly. Alright, let's run the cable through the firewall. So where I'm installing it is the back wall basically of the cab. Front seats are here, back wall right here. Not the prettiest install, but it's only you and me that's going to see it. Ground connection is going to be via a nutset, just drill straight in the floor. Magic. So it has input here from the vehicle battery, a ground cable, and the output to the deep cycle battery. Alright, so power comes out through a gland I drilled in the back wall to your battery. Beautiful, nice and dodgy. Alright, last thing to do is just set it up for the type of battery you got. So, start the vehicle and press the battery selector button here until you get the type of battery you've got. I've got an AGM, so lead acid AGM setting. And you've got power light, charging and fully charged. Battery's fully charged, so all good.